Hi guys, good afternoon or good day. This is Steph. Um, here I present to you first part located at General Trias. Ito ang model house natin. This is the dining area, the sala. Ito po ang CR. So, ito ang example design. Ito ang laundry area. And as you can see, maluwag siya. And upon turnover sa inyo, furnished na siya. Meron na siyang pintura and sementado ang hagdanan. At ang sasahig is vinyl. Vinyl siya para for example, gusto niyo ng tiles para hindi na siya babakbakin. So as is na 'yon. And then, ito yung 3 bedrooms, extended sample to, extended area na siya. Hindi ito ang totaling laki na may turnover sa inyo, but ito yung bahay mismo. So, ayan, 60 square meters or 88 square meters. Yeah, 60 square meters hanggang 88 square meters. So, ito yung parking, ito yung sa hagdanan ako, yung view sa taas, sa baba. So, it's up to you. Meron kaming interior designer, meron kaming contractor. Pero kung gusto niyo naman na kayo mag-provide, okay lang. So, for inquiries, kindly comment there. And then, I'll give out to you the details para makapag-tripping tayo, makapag-schedule tayo, and to give you the sample computation, okay? Thank you and have a great day.